Hey, this is Carl, and yes, I'm in my office again, and I'm doing part of Carl's favorite things. This is a unique item. I haven't seen anything like this. So this is the Triumph. It's called the Triumph Phoenix. It's an 84 inch. It's a table tennis and billiard table. So you could play pool and table tennis, okay? And you should really check it out. I just want to expose you to some unique products, and this is definitely a unique product. Again, it's the Triumph Phoenix. It's a billiard table. It's 84 inches, and you can play table tennis. Click the link below to know more about it and see what it's all about. All right.